Um, Next in line is Vision FC for the match day 24 game. A victory away, a clean sheet. How does that help in terms of your morale and confidence ahead of this game?
Yeah, I think after the Hasselhoff game, everybody went down. The spirit and the passion, the way we want to work, all went down. But we had a couple of meetings to lift them up to the level that we wanted. And so luckily we got it even over the level that we wanted. To go away and then win by 2-0. That was a lot of effort that the boys put in. So we are ready to face Vision as well. It's not going to be an easy game. But at the end of the day, victory will be ours.
Coach, your team is full of talented footballers, players who in their previous seasons and clubs have shown their quality in terms of goal scoring. Are you too pleased with the level of goal scoring, especially at home in some of the games that we played?
Yeah, I don't think it's so present because we need to do more than what we have. When they are in their various teams, they were doing well. And we tried to bring them up. So we started working in front of the pole to make sure they all get calm when they get there.
You're meeting a side that likes or loves to keep the ball more, likes to play from the back. What will be your approach to this one?
Yeah, well, I don't want to speak, I don't say my tactics out here today. It's just they are good sides and we try to match them. So let's see what happens Sunday. We're going to give it all out.
What was the situation with regards to injuries? Lord Amwa came off the last game. A couple of names were missing out, most especially Ansu missed the last game. What's the state of these players?
Yeah, I think right now, as we speak, it's only Lord that is out. Ansu is back. He's been training since Tuesday. So, and Inusa also is back. He has been training since Tuesday as well. Arabo is back. So I think we get all the boys back right now.
What will be your message to the fans on Sunday?
Yeah, they should exercise patience for us. We come out there not to make them go home disappointed. With me, I take it personally that the game of football is entertainment. So they come there to have fun, but not go home sad. I promise them we made them happy.
Thank you very much. All the best.